Denny, listen to me. Some of the partners are coming down to watch the motion and not in support, Denny. They're hoping you crash in there. They're hoping to be able to get some leverage, to be able to say at the partnership meeting, it's time to take Denny Crane out of the game.
What game?
I don't know whether he was trying to humiliate her or hit on her. It wasn't clear. What was clear was the indecency of it. This is what lawyering has degenerated to. Carrie Lansing lost her husband. He's probing her about her sex life. It was a blatant abuse of our process. It was an embarrassment to the integrity of our profession. This attorney should be sanctioned severely, Your Honor. A message has to be sent to the bar that our bar is raised higher than an episode of reality television. Denny Crane demeaned Carrie Lansing. He demeaned our court system, and he should be dealt with.
Mr. Crane?
Denny, I have a good feel for this. Can I take it? I'll take it. This is, pretty powerful stuff. I can see Mr. Ripley's a very powerful man. And that's a big thing with lawyers, isn't it? Power. Fear of feeling weak. I've seen it before. Attorneys coming up against Denny Crane. They jump and stomp and shake the fist and bellow with impassioned rage. Makes quite a demonstration, doesn't it? When you cut through to the merits, this lady is alleged in her complaint loss of consortium. Legal terms, meaning sex and affection. And if she's enjoying sex and affection, it's relevant. It's a mitigating factor. I'm entitled to explore it. Mr. Ripley may not like it, but it's legitimate. And I may add that I conducted my probe in the relative privacy of a closed conference room. Mr. Powerful Man made it much more public with his impassioned chest thumping in a courtroom.
I object to this.
Go ahead and pound the table. I'll tell you what I object to. We have an offer on the table. You so love to pound. An offer I can't discuss because the settlement talks have been sealed. Suffice to say, it is on the high side, the extreme high side, considering the fact that liability is not certain. Mr. Lansing had a pre-existing heart condition. But instead of taking the offer, powerful guys like Mr. Ripley want to go to trial. Why? Because I'm the opponent. It's a coup to beat the big guy. Well, what if you don't? You demean the profession, Mr. Powerful Guy. You're using your client to get a notch. You're making Carrie Lansing go through the ordeal of a trial for your own ego.
Objection.
A trial you may lose, in which case she gets nothing.
Objection.
Oh, but if you're loud enough,
Objection.
forceful enough, and strong enough, she may never realize you blew it. Ah. Brain.